Hi everyone. रुको ब्रजेश उसको नीचे Today we are going to
all out.
Start. Rolling.
British price is 69 rupees. हम घर पर 20 रुपए में बना लेंगे मैगी. My son gives it a 5-star rating. We used to love making Maggi in his tiffin.
It tastes like oats gone bad.
Oats gone bad. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and we are going to do a very different video for you all today. Today we are going to review Zepto. आज मुझे लग रहा है हम बड़ा जेंजी टाइप कुछ कर रहे हैं, है ना? मैंने पहली दफा Zepto कैफे से कुछ ऑर्डर किया है तो रिव्यू करेंगे जरूर, ठीक है? Let's see what all we have ordered. सबसे पहले टिश्यू पेपर्स.
इतना कुछ ऑर्डर कर दिया?
सब कुछ ऑर्डर कर
खाएंगे?
Well, this is all that we have ordered. हम जब ये सब देख रहे हैं हमें पैकेजिंग काफी अच्छी लग रही है. पैकेजिंग अच्छी है. पैकेजिंग के अंदर क्या है वो तो खा के पता चलेगा. एंड पीछे से ऑल्सो यूल हियर सम रिव्यूज फ्रॉम माई नीस जो who doesn't want to come on the camera. She will also review these things. So let's begin.
Nothing has spilled out.
Yeah, nothing seems spilled out. That is actually good point. और उन्होंने हमें ये टिश्यूज भी दिए हैं साथ में. दस थिंग जिसमें टिश्यूज आए हैं. देयर इज कटलरी, काफी कुछ है अंदर. देयर इज मुखवास, वाओ. देन देयर इज टोमेटो केचप, मोमो सॉस भी है. दैट्स क्वाइट नाइस, थॉटफुल. देयर इज अ स्ट्रॉ एज वेल बिकॉज़ वी ऑर्डर्ड सम कॉफी एज वेल.
खाएंगे कब?
Is it a bamboo straw?
Yes.
Looks like a bamboo straw.
It's a
Rice paper straw. Okay. So today we'll be reviewing all these things in 3 categories basically: pricing, packing, and taste. मुझे लगा मैं देखती हूँ आप कितने हो वीडियो के अंदर.
मेरा तो खाने पे फोकस है. Okay, let's start.
So let's start with चाय. चाय की पैकेजिंग बड़ी मस्त है. इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है मसाला चाय, no sugar. But you have the option of ordering it with sugar also. ये मेरी favorite drink है, मसाला चाय.
Let's सिखा दिया यार quantity.
I ordered only for 1 masala chai and the quantity is quite a lot. अभी like this is almost half a cup and इसमें से अभी और एक half निकल जाएगा. So quantity wise it's good. Taste wise taste भी अच्छा है.
क्या sugar तो है इसमें? I can feel the sugar.
No, there's no sugar, Vijay. The masala.
Masala is giving the actually.
On the 3 categories that we were supposed to review these things for the chai because there was no spill, no leakage, nothing.
And this has got a this thing. It's got a flask and can keep it warm for
45 to 60 minutes. Packaging I would give 5-star. Taste wise 5. Pricing. This was for 90 rupees.
Wow.
3 कप निकल रहे हैं 90 रुपीज में. अच्छी है.
Good.
या लाइक 3 जन पी सकते हैं आराम से.
एयरपोर्ट पे पियो तो 200 रुपीस की पड़ती है.
हमें खाली एयरपोर्ट के प्राइस.
So somebody is giving you at home and good chai.
Good chai. I think price wise also it's
good.
5-star or 4-star price. 5-star. मुझे इसको चाय बहुत अच्छी लगी.
90 rupees में 3 cups big that too delivered home.
So next drink, Vietnamese cold coffee. Oh wow.
Nice.
Packaging is good. This is Vietnamese cold coffee.
It was recommended by many.
It's a really popular drink and it has condensed milk on the bottom and then coffee on the top.
According, just stop. So this was a highly recommended coffee on Zepto and also it's one of their best sellers. The packaging was really great. The best part is layering भी बिल्कुल packaging में खराब नहीं हुई. The condensed milk you can see down and the coffee up. बर्फ भी अभी तक है. I'm really loving Zepto packaging actually.
Now we have to shake it.
Now shake it and then drink it.
Like a cloudy morning. Okay. So here we go. नहीं इधर
अच्छा मैंने नहीं खोला. मैं तो नाखून टूट रहा.
Okay. So यहाँ से निकाल के
इसको यहाँ रख सकते हो so that it doesn't interrupt your drinking. So विशेष आप पहले टेस्ट करो.
Here it is. Very nice actually for my taste. Maybe it's sweeter for you, but I like this.
I understood मीठा होएगा.
No, it has to have a little bit of sweetness.
Yeah.
So I think
अच्छा, the straw is also
pretty good.
going right till down. ऐसे नहीं कि straw अंदर चला जाएगा. So that's again something new. Yes, it's sweet for me, but it's very nice, exactly like Vietnam.
But it's like
coffee.
a proper coffee.
This was for 132 rupees.
Wow,
So in a
130.
normal cafe, how much
It's
does it
300.
cost? Anahat? 300
300
bucks.
plus.
So आधे में आ गया.
I will take a sip of that.
Yeah, and she'll give you the right review.
As a coffee connoisseur, it's a little sweet for my liking, but the taste of the coffee is still strong, and I think it's a good once in a while coffee. That's for sure.
How much would you rate it?
I would rate it 4 out of 5.
As
But
taste?
yeah, as taste, because I'm not a sweet coffee person, but otherwise it's a really good coffee.
And packaging?
Packaging 100 on 100. I think I can carry it in my bag on the way to work or something if it won't spill.
And the
And
pricing?
Pricing, as of today, my dad pays for half my coffee, so pricing really is not a big thing for me. But otherwise, I pay like 130 bucks for this coffee, that's for sure.
मुझे तो लगता है
130 only.
130 की तो दिन में 3 पी जाए. मेरे को लगता है
Oh
कि
yeah.
this is the small packet. So let's see what is in it. अरे ब्रजेश, हमने अंदर से कप और मंगवाए थे. इसके अंदर चाय के लिए कप
वाह.
है. So sweet.
So you can have cutting chai with this. And they have given sugar also.
Yeah. And because
Wow.
we ordered without sugar, तो उन्होंने extra
Oh,
sugar
But I
दिया.
don't think you need sugar.
Tissue भी है. But that's sweet.
But it's very nice. Yeah.
Nice packaging. I'm loving the
ऐसे तो
packaging.
4 कप बन जाएंगे.
वैसे the Zepto guys have done a good job. Such young guys doing such great jobs. Kudos to you boys. Let's start with breakfast. They have it written on top, so you know what it is. This is millet muesli, almond and cranberry. I'm not a muesli person. Brajesh will try this. बहुत ज़्यादा पतला लग रहा है मुझे. Mix it up once.
Okay, so this is the muesli we are going to try out. They could have avoided this.
Yeah.
It's giving
Basil.
very
Yeah.
different taste in muesli. Should not have this.
I mean, who puts basil in a muesli?
4 for packaging,
And
3 for taste, and for pricing, 102 bucks. For 102, yeah. For pricing wise, it's good.
मैं muesli नहीं खाती तो मैं taste भी नहीं करूँगी.
Actually, if you
Basil, please avoid.
no, it's okay. Basil के बिना मेरे मुंह में basil आ गया. So that's why I didn't like the taste.
Won't say Anahat, no. Anahat hasn't liked it. I can see it on her face.
It tastes like oats gone bad.
Oh, it's got bad.
In terms of, it's like, no, have it. It's
No, it's not bad actually. I don't say it bad.
But the textures are throwing me off.
So I have 3 other people also tasting along with us. We'll take the review
with
as
a
they say.
backhand review. Packaging is good. It doesn't spill.
Pricing?
Pricing 100
100
bucks,
bucks
but
is very good.
particularly I would rather save my 100 bucks and starve.
So this is a very thumbs down. We've heated the bao buns because अभी तक ठंडे हो गए थे. But somehow मुझे packaging इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी because they were sticking.
It was sticking inside.
Yeah.
So
And already everything is coming out. The chicken is coming out. Like this. You can see the packaging. ऊपर से they are looking bao wow. There should be some partition between the two baos actually. Okay. This is a steamed bao bun. It's good taste.
not bad.
Not bad. Let the Gen Z decide.
The filling is definitely nice and has it's packed with flavor. But according to me, the skin of the bao is too thick.
Yes.
Yeah.
The filling ratio and the bao skin ratio is not going very well together. But the filling otherwise is doing an amazing job. I rated 3.5 out of 5 because I just hope the filling was a little more. Otherwise, taste wise, it's doing a really good job.
Okay, so now
Pricing is 90 rupees. Oh,
Very good.
Very
Nice.
good. For 2 pieces, 90 rupees is fab.
Very
Yeah. So pricing is 5 on 5. Packaging I would give 3 star and taste wise a 3.5. But you can definitely give it a try. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
हमने मैगी बाहर से मंगवाई है. This is cheese Maggi. I mean imagine मैगी को क्या ही कोई बना देगा. But then हमने कहा चलो since it's trending, why not try it? Let's dive in.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
The cheese is all melted on top. This Maggie was again highly recommended on Zepto and it is also one of their best sellers. But ये Maggie पूरी जुड़ गई है, cheese भी नहीं निकल रहा है,
Yeah,
कुछ
because
नहीं हो
with
रहा.
cheese it's become sticky. Yeah.
The cheese has become too cheesy. But then let's try. मुझे Maggie अच्छी लगती है. Actually मसाला का इनको एक एक्स्ट्रा पैकेट देना चाहिए था.
Is it too bland?
It is bland. I mean like मैं मिर्ची नहीं खाती. अगर मुझे ब्लैंड लग रहा है तो इट्स एक्चुअली ब्लैंड. लाइक अनाहत तो इस पे शेजवान सॉस डाल के खाएगी. आई मीन लाइक थम्स डाउन.
Very bland for Indian taste.
या मसाला मुझे लगता है आधा मसाला डाला है, पूरा भी नहीं डाला. पैकेजिंग ओके, पैकेजिंग वाज गुड. 4 स्टार ऑन पैकेजिंग. प्राइस इज 69 rupees but price wise also it's high.
Yeah, but I think they have not used masala properly
हाँ.
because cheese also eats away the masala.
It's not only that, when you add cheese on top of something, cheese takes out the flavor and tries to make it more creamy.
So
Okay.
taste wise it's 1, packing wise 4 दे देते हैं. चलो.
Packing is okay.
Packing is
You
good.
can't find anything wrong
Price
with it.
wise also I would give it a 2 star. I mean I really feel you should put more Maggi masala into this.
Yeah, we have so many.
Oh, my favorite croissant!
Same.
Such a huge croissant.
It's a big one.
Was a win in my words.
Next thing is butter croissant. The first thing when I opened the packet, I said, "इतना बड़ा croissant, croissant." Okay. मैंने frankly speaking, I have never seen such a big croissant. So
Looks
this
like
is
two
giant size croissant, and we are quite a lot of people. I love butter croissants. I love butter
So
croissants.
okay, let's see.
So let's see.
Begin.
Actually में ठंडे हो गए.
Taste तो पता ही चल जाएगा.
Taste is good. पूरा आ रहा है. Butter का भी अंदर से taste आ रहा है.
Yeah, taste was good.
It's a nice. And pricing, this is costing 90 rupees.
Very good actually.
I think
For
this
the
is
size,
quite
it's
okay for the
quite okay.
size. I mean ये आराम से 2 जन तो खा सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Very good. Anahat.
How many stars for pricing?
Let Anahat also
Pricing
take.
5?
According to the pricing, I understand where it comes from. It's gooey on the inside and it still has that flakiness on the top, not like a professional bakery,
Yeah.
but it's still doing a good job for the price that's out there.
Yeah.
So I would give this like a 4 out of 5
Taste wise.
taste wise.
Yeah, that's what I said. 4.5.
The crispiness is missing on top.
Yeah, the flakiness.
But for this price,
I know,
it's
90
expected.
rupees.
90
What?
rupees,
what?
Yeah,
Taste wise, yeah,
हाँ.
not bad. Yeah.
it tastes like a cruise.
Okay. So packaging 4.5, taste wise 4, price wise 5 on 5. That's our review. So now we going to review their chicken puff. आज हमने सोचा काफी चीजें मंगवा लेते हैं. Let's see. हम लोग बहुत सारे लोग हैं. आपको हम दोनों ही दिखाई दे रहे हैं पर कैमरा के पीछे भी 3 जन हैं. मेरी टीम है, मेरी niece है. So there are a lot of people in my house today, and I love it when all these kids come. So let's review this chicken puff now. Chicken puff is something that Brijesh really likes. So chicken puff, we've reheated it. Flaky लग रहा है काफी. The pastry puff is quite flaky. Let Brijesh try first because इसका
This is
favorite है.
My favorite.
Not from Zepto Cafe. This is the first time we are having it from Zepto Cafe.
Filling is good.
Good.
Upper part is crispy. And
Crunch.
crunch
It's
is also.
crunchy.
Yeah. Even after
All the
even
flakes.
after reheating also there is a crunch.
ये सारे flakes इसके देख सकते हो.
चलो जी. Okay.
It's
Zanzi.
not Gen Z reviewing. Who don't come on camera.
Not only that,
Okay.
the filling inside is definitely better than the Bow's ratio of the thing. It's crusty outside, and if you can see close by, there is a masala also. So when you take a bite, you get that masala
Yeah.
from the top directly in your palate, and I think it's a lovely combination.
Yeah, बहुत tasty है. Packaging सबसे पहले 5 star. Taste also I would give it a 5 on
5 star.
5. This is 56 rupees.
56
We
rupees.
stand the best out of it all.
This is amazing price also. मैं तो 5 star से भी ऊपर हूँ वो दे दूँ pricing में.
And if you can see by the blue t-shirt man on your right or left, he can his
His lunch
expression says
his
all.
lunch is going to be this. I think Brijesh खाएगा भी नहीं because Brijesh इसको finish करेगा.
This is very nice. I like the outside masala also.
Yeah. देखो oregano है, chili flakes है, and there's some chaat masala. अब हमारा
5.
555. Okay, the next thing we try is chili toast.
So this is chili toast.
Chili cheese toast.
Chili cheese toast.
पहली bite में I can get the cheese. The bread is a little hard it's soft.
It should have been crispier actually. Normally chili.
Actually मुझे लगता है ये ना जो normal bread होती है ना, bread slices पे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है because ये अंदर से soft हो जाता है.
Bread should have been crispier than this. It has become soggy. So it's not giving me the taste of a chili toast. Bread should be crunchy.
But ये जो अंदर मसाला है, this is very nice.
I think we can put it in air fryer and taste.
The topping is nice. The cheese is a lot, and I'm not a cheesy person, but I feel like the bread came off to be on a little stale side because it wasn't crunchy. But otherwise, in terms of taste, I'll give it like a 3 out of 5.
Packaging was good. Packaging 4.55 we can give, and pricing is 88 rupees. Considering there are 2 pieces.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Pricing 3. So we ordered this dal makhani also from here. जब मिल रहा था हमने सोचा why not try it कि अगर कभी ऐसे मंगवाना पड़े. This they said was for 1 person, but आराम से 2 जन खा सकते हैं. Oh, it's looking very oily. That oil kind of puts me off. किसी चीज में ऊपर oil होता है ना तो it puts me off.
When you say dal makhani, it has to be oily actually. Let me mix it up.
कर बहुत ज़्यादा मखनी है.
Taste wise, not bad.
This Anahat is a better person to judge her favorite dal makhani. For me, it's too buttery.
Oh, it has good flavor for sure,
Chamach.
but it is on the oily side. And as a person who gyms and is health conscious, I will never get this again. I'm a Punjabi, so I think we can make better dal makhani
Dal
at
makhani.
home.
Yes, our dal makhani at home that we make is really yummy. So this was nothing as compared to that.
But if you are not a Punjabi, then you cannot.
If you know, I mean, you would rather get it from a restaurant because restaurants also don't make it as oily, even though they put heavy
Taste
cream in
wise नहीं था. Price wise this is 90 rupees. Taste 2, price 2, packaging 4. Packaging 4. You can skip it out.
The last one is chocolate mousse.
Oh, the last but not the least, chocolate mousse. I'm a very chocolatey person, and so is Anahat. Oh, the packaging is nice. All 3 layers.
So this is
Oh, इसके ऊपर
chocolate mousse. Some biscuit or chocolate.
This is nice branding. On the chocolate, it's written Zepto Cafe. This is really cute. So for me, मैं यही packaging पे मर गई.
5.
Packaging is 5 on 5 for this.
And the properly layers.
Layers पूरे intact है and nice. Yes, packaging is 5 on 5. Bang on. नीचे से लो.
It's good. Perfect.
Now my Gen Z, start tasting.
It's really nice. It's on the lighter side, so I feel like even if I eat this entire thing by myself, I'm not going to feel as guilty. So it's a light, nice dessert, and the 3 layers definitely helps with the lighter one, giving it a more milky flavor than the darker chocolate.
Yeah.
So it balances it out quite nicely.
For me, it's a 5 star.
5.
And आप?
4.
4.
ये बहुत कंजूस है.
I'm just judging you with my food, guys.
Okay. And then
Okay. Price wise, this was chocolate mousse is $83.
Wow, that's very good.
So it's good.
So price wise 5.
Taste 5.
wise 5.
Packaging
was
was
5.
5. So आज ये जो कुछ हमने टेस्ट किया है, let's talk about our top 3. बोलो. So chai, chicken puff, and the chocolate mousse are our top 3 selections. And the worst 3. Maggi, muesli, and dal makhani. But the best part that I liked about Zepto Cafe was their branding is bang on. I would really give it a 5 star. Delivery was on time. Yeah. So the total bill for all this that we ordered was 957 rupees.
Wow.
Which I think is
3 to 4%
quite
can easily-
reasonable. Yeah, हम लोग यहाँ पर like we are 5 of us and I think अगर हम ये सारा कुछ खाने लगे तो 5 of us can finish.
4 to 5.
4 to 5 people. So for 957 घर पर तुम्हारे खाना आ रहा है, गरम खाना आ रहा है, टेस्टी खाना आ रहा है, अच्छी जगह से खाना आ रहा है. So what more do you want, you know? So I think pricing wise, a big thumbs up, 5 star to you. So all this was delivered to us under 15 minutes. चाय ठंडी नहीं हुई थी बिल्कुल. There was no spillage. That is also amazing. Good experience. This is the first time I have done this with the help of my kids over here. I am happy. I hope आपको भी ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि we do more such videos, do let us know in the comments below. Any suggestions you can write down in the comments. So until our next video, it's adios, tata, bye bye. Love you all.
और हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें,
जरूर करें.
बेल आइकन दबाएं, टिंग टिंग.
Ting ting. Bye.